Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve Discord on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can update your app here on Play Store app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.